Are you tired of buying crypto at the wrong time and missing out on the biggest gains? You know there's a predictable rhythm to the market, but you just don't know how to track it? Well, what if I told you there's a completely free tool that can show you exactly where we are in the market cycle and what to do every step of the way? In this video, I'm going to walk you through my brand new Bitcoin dominance dashboard. I'll show you how to use it to predict the phases of the bull market and build a winning strategy. Stick around, because this could be the single most important tool you add to your crypto arsenal.
Hi, so now we're going to talk about the Bitcoin dominance dashboard that I've actually developed. This is a website I created to help beginners, who are new to the crypto space. I've been involved in the crypto market since 2017, so I've been to a lot of ups and downs in this market. And I've learned a lot over the years, and one thing I do know is that you have to be very strategic and careful in how you navigate this market, especially if you're a beginner. You need to know what the phases are and when to get in, when to get out. You need to know the market structure and exactly what's happening during each structure or phase of the market. So I built this website. It's completely free to use, by the way. And it actually uses live data and it's pulling data from Coin Market Cap. So what I do here at the beginning of this is I give you a little history, or not history, but give you an introduction about the site and what you can learn and the features of this actual web app. So as you can see here, it has the current market phase right now based on the data, and all the charts and information is showing that we're in the large caps phase. And I'll talk more about that later, or I'll show you in the app later. So it shows the current zone. Next up is altcoin season. Altcoin season is not here yet, but it probably will be here in the next month or two. And right here you have AI market analysis. You can refresh this if you want more analysis. But let me go back to this side here. This scam prevention guide is a wonderful tool with some great content on how to protect yourself from crypto scams, because it's a lot of crypto scammers out there, especially now during the bull market. Okay, so next we have the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is very important for your strategy. You can navigate by, the 1 month, 1 week, or daily, however you want to do it. Okay, it shows you the dominant zones. It tells you that 6%, 65%, when the Bitcoin dominance is 65% plus, altcoins are dead. Anywhere between 55 to 65%, altcoin season is loading, which is kind of where we are now. And 50 to 55% altcoin season is starting. This is when the Bitcoin dominance gets to these levels. And when if it gets down to, or when it gets down rather, to 45 to 50%, you want to start taking some profits. So now the crypto season flow chart. This is the phases that I talked about. There is another phase that I'll be adding into this tool probably in another couple of months, and that's going to be the very beginning, which is a bear market, but I'll add that in later. So phase 1, we got the Bitcoin. Phase 2, Ethereum. Phase 3 is large caps. Phase 4 is altcoin season. And right now you can see we've completed the Bitcoin phase. We've completed the Ethereum phase. Now we're in the large cap phase, and it's active. Alt season is pending. So make sure you're aware of that and keep that in mind. Shows you the Bitcoin dominance, the Ethereum dominance, shows you the total market cap and the alt market cap. This is probably the most important part of this site. Excuse me, especially for the new, new complete beginners. All these phases, it shows you what you can do and what you should avoid doing in each of these phases. Right now you see the highlighted one in green. We're in the large cap phase. So, for example, let's just click on what to do in phase 1. You just click on this here, and it'll tell you phase 1, Bitcoin dominance above 6. It talks about the market conditions and what it means. Gives you a step-by-step action plan for complete beginners, and it tells you exactly what to do. Okay, you can just scroll down, and you can view this if you want, but we'll just go back to the dashboard. I just want to show you an example of what this is. All these are helpful links, and I've created pages for each one of these links for each one of these phases. So right now it says we're in phase 3, and it tells you a little bit about what to do. And right here, it all just tells you it's tracking live market data. This is a very important financial disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This website is for educational and informational purposes only. do your own research. You take your own risk. Just be very careful. I just developed this site and built this site for people so that, you know, if you're a beginner, you don't get stuck and you know exactly where we are in this market. So I hope this helps you. Like I said, the site is completely free to use. And it's going to be, the web address is bitcoindominancetracker.net. That's Bitcoin Dominance Tracker, all one word, .net. So I hope you enjoy the site. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
So, there you have it. A powerful, free tool to help you navigate the bull market with confidence. If you found this dashboard useful, please hit that like button to let me know. And for more content that helps you master the crypto markets, be sure to subscribe and click that bell. Let me know in the comments below which phase of the market you're most excited for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.